Hey guys, out here on a brisk spring day. Wanted to show my saddle hunting setup, what I use. I've enjoyed watching a lot of other people, so I thought I'd just show mine. This is it. We just did a hike, probably with my girlfriend. We probably did like a mile in, and I think this is, not to talk in detail about something that's common sense, but having this, the way I carry it with the straps and everything, felt weight, it just feels like nothing. It's no big deal, and I hunted with it all last year. But to the point of my equipment, this is an Alps Outdoor pack that I have, and I have 4 V-sticks attached to the back with cable aiders attached onto them, and I use a tethered Predator platform. Okay, so after I get everything out of my bag, what I do, I take the sticks off, and then I have the sticks attached here. I have a hero clip that I use, and I also use that as my bow holder. So once I get up top later, that will attach to my HYS strap from Tethered, and I'll use that to hold my bow. So I'll use that for multi-functions here. And I have this little S-clip on this side over here that I use. I used to just do the long loops on these coming from my belt and tie them around the tree brackets, but I don't know if I had bad luck or what, but I've had several of those fall off me, so I just moved to the clips. As far as the Tethered Predator platform, I just leave that attached to my bag. I used to attach it on my belt, kind of behind my butt, but I had problems with it as I was climbing, things swinging and banging. So just to cut down the noise, that worked out better for me. So what I typically do is I do this in one trip up. I'm only going to hang 3 sticks today, just because I get too high, you can't see me or hear me, so we'll just do 3. But if I'm doing this in one swoop up, I'm going to climb up this stick here. This is my first stick, obviously it's hung, and I'll grab this, pull it up, and hang. This is my second stick. And then my third and fourth stick are going to be right here. So.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I've got my third stick up here hung, so I'm going to do my platform first. Getting really tight. Camming them down. Put my backpack back on and continue to go up. Okay, so I was too high up in the tree for our camera to get it, so I wanted to hang the Predator platform down here and just kind of show what I'm doing. Again, I got this off of G2 Outdoors, so that's kind of from his videos. Check those out; they're really cool. Kind of learn this little trick. Basically, what I'm doing then is I've got this hero clip still on here, so I can do a couple things. One thing I do is sometimes I'll just use my lineman belt to rest my backpack on that. That's probably the easiest thing, or I can hang my backpack on the hero clip. I just unsnap it, take the platform off my tack, and throw that back on here. If I'm worried about it, I can hang that back there while I put my backpack back on. And of course, if you're worried about not feeling comfortable, you can always tie your tether at this point. That'll make it more secure even. Then the trick again, as I was talking about with G2 Outdoors, his videos, I just use this rubber twist tie. And this is pretty old. I used it all year last year, so I probably need a new one of those this year. It's a super inexpensive item and just super handy to hang. And I just kind of tie it. Dog eating some bark over there, some crunching in the background. And I just tie it to the lineman's belt and use that to help strap it on. And I've done this without doing this, and I seem to get better at it as the season goes. Again, I haven't touched this in a while, so I'm a little sloppy right now. But I can kind of secure this to the tree, get it nice and snug. Then I'll undo this. I can place this up in my pack or just leave it. and I'll probably just leave it now for demonstration. And then just pull it up and tighten it and cam it down, and there you go. So, and then I'll use that HYS strap that I talked about earlier. Kind of set up. Now I shoot left-handed, so I'm going to be shooting around the right side of the tree. So I have a little pouch I keep on my waistband here. And I just kind of want I'm going to hang my bow on the right side. So I'm shooting left-handed. And I'm going to, see if I can remember how to do this right. I want my bag hanging on the left side, so I'll come around like this. I keep this below my tether. So yeah, I want my tether above this for me. So I think what I was doing last year was chin height, if I remember right. But this thing, it has this really nice strap on it. I don't know if you can go around the other side, you can see kind of how that strap works. It's really easy to adjust on the fly, so I can always put this on and adjust it very easily too. It's got this little orange pulley, just pull it tight, and it tightens right down the tree. So yeah, I'll take my bag off then, and I've got an S clip on here, and I use that to attach one of my climbing sticks on this side. On the way up, I use that S clip, so I just took it off here and put it on here, and I can also use the waist straps and tighten those around the tree to keep my bag from moving, and I can tuck these in and do some other things. And then, sorry, if you want to swing around the other side, I've got the hero clip that I use on my right side, and you can come over here, you can see I just set the hero clip there, and I've got an awesome bow holder. So everything's right there, and I'll have my tether probably about, I think I do about eye to nose height right about here, so I'm above that, and my bow's right here to grab, and I'm off to the races. So I switched to the platform last year. I think I just talked about that earlier. I used Ring and Steps before. I'm a big fan of John Eberhard. I've read his books, and just, he's very knowledgeable for pressured areas. If you haven't heard him, check his stuff out. It's great. So I try to do my setup like his. I try to do a Ring and Steps. But for me, I just have a hard time staying comfortable in the saddle. I'm comfortable with the saddle, but I just move around too much. So with the platform, it was a little bit easier for me to get more positions and stand still, and I just found it more effective for me. But if the Ring and Steps suits you, that's a really cool option too. And that's it. Thanks a lot. Happy hunting.